Hey guys, Pat here. Today we've got a huge box, a huge delivery from PLE. Thank you very much to those guys for sending me this. As you can see in the title, obviously, because you've clicked on it. This is the greatest and newest addition to the Battlebull. I was going to say Battlebull line of products. So Battle line. No, this is Battlebull chairs. They come up in a new design. This will be the third iteration. First of all, I loved the second generation. The first one was my first introduction to Battlebull, and I think it was probably one of the better chairs on the market. The second version, however, was hands down the best gaming chair, actually the best office chair I've ever managed to sit my lovely bottom on. And this time we've got a third edition. This is the, this is a good question. This is the Commander version, I believe. Is it? Unleash the Battlebull. Battlebull Commander Gaming. I have a thought that this isn't the Commander version. But anyway, I don't know which color it was, but I'm pretty sure it's white. I went white this time. Black, orange, or white, but I'm pretty sure it's the white one there. So let's open it up. Let's build it. Let's see what it looks like and to get some first, I guess, discovery type feeling of what this new chair brings to the table, and if it's better than my crimson one over there, or obviously the other one, the blue one that you see in a lot of my videos. Let's see if it's better than those two, because we kind of want to know, is it worthwhile buying the latest and greatest one, or just buy the old one? It might be on special now. So let's open her up. This, my friends, is continuity. Alright, let's have a look at what we've got here. Well, first of all, this is solid as ever. It is plastic, but it's absolutely very heavy plastic. We've got that orange in there, so maybe it's not selective colors. It is orange and white, so this will be an interesting color. So this itself, it's nicely painted. Kind of like a metallic paint with plastic edgings. Let's go to the most important one. Oh, wow, this looks incredible. This looks like it was custom made for the Overwatch games. This color scheme is so much better than I thought. Holy, I really didn't look online on how it was going to look, because I really wanted to make this a little bit special. Yeah, wow, I'm impressed. This is incredible design and incredible craftsmanship. This is really, really nice. Holy crap. Wow. The back nice and black, nice Battlebull. Scented this time, as you can see. Very, very nice. Wow. Just look at that front. Those colors are really, really vibrant. Deep blacks, clean orange, and really nice whites. I guess the concern will be getting this dirty. Man, I am straight from the get-go. I am so impressed. Oh, there's so much more here. So, let's go with, well, first of all, interestingly enough, it's built differently. It's actually already pre-built, most of it. So, what they've done is the pillows are separate, which is fine. I'll look at that in a second. But this bit here, the actual seat, has already the armchairs already built in, and I am so happy. This is not going to be a 10-20 minute video. This is going to be a 5-minute video because I don't have to put the bloody thing together. I'm just going to put the sides, the wheels, and the legs on, but these were always a pain to put on. So let me get this box out, because I'm guessing these are the wheels. Okay. And the central column. Where's my knife? Maybe they took on board feedback. Maybe people said this is much harder than IKEA. This is so much harder. But let's have a look what's in the box, because this to me is a completely new experience. Alright, we've got these little plastic coverings for that single column. We've got gloves. Are you joking? What are the gloves for? What are the gloves for? Hey, I've got gloves. I wonder if they even fit my hands. Okay, we're gonna put them on. This is one of those days where really, really creepy white gloves, like, look, I mean, they don't really fit very well, but creepy white gloves actually suit. Here we go. Oh, don't get your fingerprints on it. All right, we've got the sides. We've got a lot of screws in here that I don't really want to lose. Let's have a quick look at this document here. Battlebull gaming chairs. We've got instruction, product information. We've got a how-to instruction. Thank you very much. And we've got the gas panel. I'm guessing some of this stuff will still have to be fairly hard to install, or rather, take a long time. There's the column. But what seems is that actually most of the hard yards have already been done. So, is it because it's oily? Is that why they give you these gloves? I think these are going to become my gaming gloves. Ooh, ooh. Well, actually, every video I do about this is going to be using these gloves, but why? Honestly, why the gloves? All right. Just let's get this chair out and move it across. All right, so first of all, my last complaint still kind of is there. Like, this isn't a solid connected one to here. It's still kind of loose. So you might get that point where this is flexing and moving when you lean back, but this side isn't. But we'll see. My Crimson one has not been doing that. First generation did it quite a bit. This one has not, so I'm hoping that's going to be fixed in the third one. It's non-existent. So let's open this up here. And of course, the design follows through and is absolutely gorgeous. The armrests are built in, which I'm happy about. I don't have to fiddle around with them, pre-done. The less I have to do, the better. Obviously, apart from the fact that you can just get one that's pre-built from somewhere, but now this is as close as it's gonna get. Let's have a look at the back. The back, oh crap, it's heavy. Wow, very, very clean. Very, very clean design. That's screwed in, that's gonna be unscrewed. So the screws are actually here already, so we just gotta put that bit on here and put it on. Very nice. They put a cover on the bottom of it this time to seal that back. This back looks absolutely clean. It looks like a $1,000 chair. This is, well, actually, it looks exactly how much it costs. $400, this is the kind of quality you expect from it. I think it's $359 or something like that, but I'll get the exact pricing to you guys in a second. This is good quality. That leather there is pulled across. Looks really, really good. And I think the tools they provide, you're able to put it together. All right, let me put this together and I'll see you in a bit. So here it is, the latest and greatest from Battlebull. It looks, well, first of all, the colors look absolutely stunning. The whole build quality, again, exceeds expectations, as always, to be honest, actually. These are the chairs you pick up and you feel like there's actually something there, unlike some other cheapies from China. In any case, I've been having a bit of a look around on it while building it, and to be honest, I haven't found any faults. This is a very similar design to the actual blue one back there. These wings here are a lot softer. I noticed that immediately. So hopefully, you know, if you've got a larger butt, this won't actually have any sort of impact on you, because it does actually press against the thigh sometimes, and you could run into issues there. But this seems really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna review it and obviously have a lot longer to think about it while I sit on it and obviously really make some judgment calls on what's good, what's bad, and if there's anything the guys can improve on. But straight off the bat, this is one absolutely fantastically designed gaming chair, and I highly recommend it just for the look. First of all, I mean, you're not gonna go wrong with the quality, but guys, look at that. That just stunning. I still don't like these kind of bother me, but I can live with it. I've been living with it with the other chairs. The fact that everything here was already put together and all I had to do is screw the base on and the top bit up here made this one of the easiest builds of these chairs I've ever done before. So every other chair I've had to do every single screw. This time the box came pre-built, at least a part, well actually a large part of it. I only had to do 6 screws in total to put this together. 6 screws, plus obviously putting the wheels in. Now the base actually is probably my favorite, and you can't see that very well here, but the base, that design here is really, really nice. And obviously you get free white gloves with it. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the review of this chair probably very quickly, but check out my other videos on this channel, subscribe, like, and let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos I should be doing, if there's potentially other Battlebull products out there, but I think I've got them covered so far. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.